your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
And a pleasant Thursday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking the gray skies and the rain coming to an end as we head through the overnight hours. We're still dealing with some light to moderate pockets of it out there right now, though, in portions of our area. Temperature right now 65 degrees. The dew point is at 60, but it is coming down, and we have an east-southeasterly breeze at around 7 miles an hour. And again, a lot of that gray sky with some more rain expected over the next few hours. Now, this is a look at our observed high temperatures today. You're probably thinking, Jordan, this map is a joke, right? There's no way it was 73 degrees in downtown Utica. And you're right, for most of the day, it was where it is now in the mid-60s. These high temperatures occurred around, if not just after midnight, and they've been steadily dropping throughout the day. At one point, it was 76 degrees in Albany. Right now, it's 62 in Albany, and we've got 65 downtown Utica, 60 degrees in both Herkimer and Johnstown. And actually, the warmer spots are up toward the north and west. Watertown 69, Oswego 66, Camden at 70. The reason being we haven't seen a lot of clouds there, and same goes for the rain. Where we are seeing the rain down toward the south, we've got dew points in the 50s and also the cooler temperatures out there right now. Those dew points are at exactly 60 in Camden and Utica, and we don't have to go far to the north. Old Forge is at 50 degrees for that dew point, and that's making its way down toward the south. What's also making its way down toward the south is the heavy rain we unfortunately have also been dealing with for the second or third time this month. A lot of flash flooding around the New York City area. Same goes with severe thunderstorms, but that situation will come to an end over the next 3 to 4 hours, and the water will start to recede there. We're just seeing some light to moderate pockets of rain from Utica down toward the south and east, and that will come to an end. The clouds will go with it, and tomorrow will be an absolutely beautiful day. Same goes for Saturday, with temperatures on either side of 80 degrees both days. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, whatever term you want to use to describe it. Looks nice with maybe just a few mid and high level clouds sneaking in there, but other than that, remaining dry. In terms of additional rainfall, we could only be looking at a couple hundredths to maybe a tenth of an inch of rain between now and let's say midnight tonight. And as far as the air quality goes, it's in the moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups category today. It will get better as we head through the day tomorrow, so you'll actually be able to enjoy the outside as opposed to today where we had all of that rain with high temperatures up around 77, the dew points in the refreshing category around 50, which is, as I mentioned, where Old Forge is already right now. 75 to 80 both tomorrow and on Saturday, and then Sunday more like 80 to 85. Monday and Tuesday we'll see a slight uptick in the humidity with highs between 85 and 90 both days, and the latest forecast is available right now on CNY homepage. Thomas, in the meantime, I'll send it back to you.